Children, we are going to start our lesson 3, that is how many squares. So, when we draw a closed bounded figure on a piece of paper and cut the paper along the boundaries of the figure, then the cutouts gives the amount of surface enclosed by the figure. I have drawn the shapes over here and the cutouts are shown here. The space covered by the surface of the figure is called an area. ठीक है? When the given surfaces are of the same shape, like this is a square, this is a square, we compare them by placing one over the other. And it is very easy to say that this is bigger and this is smaller. Sometimes it becomes difficult to compare the areas of the two surfaces by simply looking at them, particularly when the figures are of different shapes. Look at the figure A and B. Obviously, we cannot compare the areas of triangle and rectangle until and unless we measure them in definite units. You should know that area is measured by equal sized squares. Okay? सारे squares के size equal होने चाहिए. Like here, 1 centimeter from this side, 1 centimeter is from this side, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Right? 1, we will call it 1 square centimeter. The unit is 1 square centimeter. Now see, the whole 1 square centimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and 2 halves are there, so it will become 1 and the total will be 7 units. Now find the area of these irregular shapes. Use the 1 centimeter grid paper as your guide. Children, you will draw your figures on this sheet of paper or on graph paper, right? Question number 1 is how many squares of side 1 centimeter does figure A cover? So 10, 11, 12. 12 centimeter square, right? (12 square centimeter). We can write like this also, okay? Question number 2, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does figure C cover? So C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So C is equal to 11 square centimeter. Now question number 3, how much is the area of the smallest figure? So we have to calculate the area of figure B also. So see children, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 2 halves means 1, 12. 12 square centimeter. Just a minute. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 2 halves. So it's not 12, it's 13, right? Like this you have to measure again and again, right? So now see question number 3, how much is the area of the smallest figure? Figure C. Figure C has the smallest area, right? The area of a small figure is measured in square millimeters or square centimeters. But children, we say the standard unit of measuring area is meter. Okay, remember, the standard unit of measuring area is meter. The area of a square of side 1 millimeter. Okay, when 1 millimeter, we will say 1 square millimeter. The area of a square 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Okay. The area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter. The area of a square of 1 kilometer is 1 square kilometer. Now come to perimeter. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. right? Length of the boundary, or the sum of all the sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter, right? Rectilinear figures are those figures who are having straight lines. Okay? Now see this figure, 5 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Right? So 28 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Right? Like this you have to count these figures. Again, let us see. We will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 centimeter. The perimeter of figure B is 10 centimeter. Now, formula. Area of rectangle. See, here is a rectangle, is length multiply breadth. A given rectangle can always be divided into a number of squares, each having a unit area as shown below, right? Find the area of a rectangle of length 4 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth, 4 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter is equal to 8 square centimeter. We will write the answer in square centimeter. Remember this thing, right? Now area of a square, side multiply side. Find the area of a square of side 16 meters. Side of a square 16 meter. Area of a square का formula side multiply side. So 16 meter multiplied by 16 meter, 256 square meters, the area of this square. Perimeter of rectangle. Now come to perimeter. Okay. The sum of all the sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter, right? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. So find the perimeter of a rectangle having length 20 meters. यहाँ पे G छूट गई है. Okay. Find the perimeter of a rectangle having length 20 meters and breadth 10 meters. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. This is the formula. So you will put the digit over here. 2 multiply 20 meters plus 10 meters is equal to 2 multiply 30 meters is equal to 60 meters. अब perimeter of a square का क्या formula है? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. Find the area of a square whose side is 16 centimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side is equal to 4 multiply 16 centimeter is equal to 64 centimeters. Now your assignment time. Students will draw 3 different shapes with the same area. ध्यान से सुनेंगे सभी बच्चे. एरिया सेम होगा. अगर आपने ये स्क्वायर शीट ऑफ पेपर में 10 लिए हैं, 10 यूनिट्स लिए हैं, शेप्स अलग होंगे लेकिन एरिया सेम होगा 10, राइट? 3 फिगर्स बनाने हैं, डिफरेंट शेप. लर्न स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ. आपने स्पेलिंग लर्न करनी है. एरिया, पेरीमीटर, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, मीटर्स. लर्न फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सबके फॉर्मूले याद करने हैं. मेजर द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. ये आपको फिगर्स दिखाए गए हैं. आपने इन सबके पेरीमीटर्स को मेजर करना है जैसा मैंने आपको सिखाया है. थैंक यू.